Hello dear friends! Today we are unboxing Akko creamy purple switches. These switches are a new experience to me. I have never felt switches like this before. Creamy tactiles are very new to me. I decided to add them to my Leopold keyboard. They look like candies. I love pretty switches so much. I always think it's sad that we hide most switches under keycaps. I wanted to admire these switches as I write. Especially after seeing the way light reflects on them. So I will be using frosted transparent keycaps. Isn't this so cute? It looks like a cake. The force or pressure of the spring is stronger than usual. It feels like the switches are resisting, like they are pushing back. My husband said the spring feels thicker, and it's like you are popping bubble wrap. Like bubble wrap, but stronger? It is loud and creamy at the same time. Talky tactiles. The way the light reflects on them is just so nice. I do like the sound, but for my taste, I would loop them. Let's use the Akko Angie cat mouse with them. This little baby is so adorable. The click is creamy and the texture is soft. You need a battery for this mouse. I think where they decided to put the wireless receiver is genius. It came with its own purple sleeping bag. The mouse feels big, but not in a bad way. Most other mouses are smaller. But for this one, your entire hand can rest on it. So when I switch from this mouse to another smaller one, it feels like something is missing. Because my whole hand had support. This complete setup was an interesting experience. Bye bye, dear friends, and see you next time.